A list of healthy foods that boost energy levels naturally. Many people suffer with low energy levels every day and rely on coffee and energy drinks. Low energy is caused by eating the wrong foods, stress, sleep problems, hormone imbalances, and nutrient deficiencies in the body. In today's video, we will share with you a list of 16 superfoods that you can consume to boost your energy levels naturally. These foods have been carefully chosen to improve brain chemistry, support healthy hormones, and to boost energy at the cellular level. 1. Coconut oil. This is by far one of the best foods for improving brain health and mental focus. Extra virgin coconut oil is rich in MCTs, which are a powerful fuel source for the brain. MCTs break down into ketones, which improve connections between neurons and lower inflammation in the brain chemistry. 2. Blackberries. For a quick boost in energy, snack on low glycemic berries such as blackberries, raspberries, or strawberries. These high-fiber fruits contain fructose, an easy-to-digest sugar compared to grains. Too much fruit, however, can lower energy levels, so keep this in moderation. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are the richest source of magnesium for producing more energy in the body. Magnesium is an electrically charged mineral which feeds the mitochondria, or the small energy factories in the cells. This will give you more strength, mental focus, energy, and endurance through the day. 4. Eggs. Instead of consuming grains and cereals for breakfast, switch to boiled or poached eggs. Pasture-raised eggs are the healthiest and are a good source of protein and fat-soluble vitamins. Eating these in the morning fuels the body and brain and keeps blood sugars under control. 5. Kale. The body absorbs many dangerous toxins from the environment, like pesticides, heavy metals, and pollutants. These are called endocrine disruptors, which puts the hormones out of balance and makes you feel sluggish and tired. Organic kale helps to detoxify these chemicals from your liver, balance your hormones, and boost energy rapidly. 6. Nutritional yeast. If you often suffer with stress, a racing mind, or sleep problems, then nutritional yeast can help. This contains a complex of B vitamins which calms the nervous system and reduces the stress hormone called cortisol. This supports healthy sleep patterns to re-energize your body. 7. Bell peppers. These delicious fruits are one of the best sources of vitamin C, an essential nutrient needed by the body. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which helps to oxygenate the blood, raise energy, and improve neurotransmission in the brain. 8. Sea kelp. Sea kelp contains concentrated amounts of iodine and other trace minerals which restore hormone balance in the thyroid and adrenal glands in the body. This can balance estrogen levels and get rid of brain fog at any age in men and women. It is also a better source of calcium for healthy bones than milk. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Drink a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water with your meals. It helps to strengthen your stomach in breaking down foods. This then allows you to absorb more nutrients that feed your mitochondria, which then produce more energy. 10. Avocado. These are one of nature's most healing superfoods with healthy fats and high potassium. The potassium in avocados helps to keep energy levels high by strengthening the mitochondria energy factories. It helps the cells to refuel and stay at full energy capacity. Avocados help to balance blood sugar levels and reduce cravings for junk foods. 11. Green tea. Keeping the body free of toxins is the best way to maintain constant energy levels. Matcha green tea is rich in chlorophyll, a substance which removes harmful toxins and purifies the blood. You can also get this in capsule form if you do not like the taste. 12. Salmon. To feel focused and energized, the brain needs essential omega-3 fatty acids. Wild-caught salmon is one of the best sources of these, especially DHA. DHA is used to build brain cells, nerve membranes, and connections called synapses. Eating oily fish helps to stimulate a sharper mind, better focus, and higher energy levels. 13. Wheatgrass juice. You can purchase wheatgrass juice powder and drink this in a little water to boost vitamin C in the body. This is a super tonic rich in antioxidants which support your adrenal glands. This will regulate your energy levels and keep you stable through the day. 14. Sauerkraut. This is a form of fermented cabbage commonly eaten in Europe. This is also loaded with vitamin C for boosting energy and reducing breathlessness. Sauerkraut also feeds the friendly bacteria in the gut, which is linked with better mood and brain function. 15. Chia Seeds. These are some of the best plant-based proteins and are packed with omega-3. Chia seeds are often referred to as warriors' food as they are used for runners and those who exercise often. Mix these with a little coconut oil for a fast-acting energy booster. 16. Ashwagandha. This is one of the best adaptogenic herbs which helps your body to handle stress and balance your hormones. Low stress means better sleep, a calmer state of mind, higher energy and a healthy overall body. You can also take rhodiola, holy basil, maca and cordyceps mushrooms. As you can see, there are many foods that boost energy levels naturally. Be careful when consuming fruit, as too much fruit can overstimulate the body with fructose, which causes you to lose energy. Small servings of berries once a day is the perfect balance to raise vitamin C levels and phytonutrients. Eating leafy greens such as collard greens, arugula, beet tops, spinach and kale will supply the electrolyte minerals and chlorophyll needed to produce cellular energy. For this reason, we recommend eating a hearty salad each day with high-quality cruciferous vegetables and a good virgin olive oil dressing. If you are taking antiacid tablets, these will block your absorption of important minerals like magnesium. Instead, you can repair your digestive system with ox bile supplements, apple cider vinegar and betaine hydrochloride. These will help you to pull more minerals and vitamins from the foods that you eat into the cells. Intermittent fasting is also a great way to kickstart your metabolism into producing more energy. This is a simple diet trick where you eat all of your calories in a 5 to 8 hour window during the day. This allows the rest of the day for your body to rest and digest. Fasting improves mitochondrial function in boosting energy levels and triggering mitophagy. This is where your body recycles old damaged mitochondria and produces healthy new ones to boost vitality and energy. Avoid energy drinks at all cost, as these are only stimulants and do not provide true energy. To learn more about this, see our video entitled Dangers of Energy Drinks. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.